welcome. Now we'll go to focus energy into the grid. Channeling energy into the grid. So what we'll learn is like input. Let's learn the input. Inputs are energy, vision, mission, principles. It should be clear. What is your mission? What is your vision? What are your principles? Clear goal and time management, self-aware and future self-discipline and control, clean food and organic food, daily exercise, meditation and mindfulness, sacrifice all in financially. Okay, this is the energy, and processes are channeling. Number one, priority to long-term vision. Remove all stimuli that isn't that that aren't that say no, ignore. Okay, only deviate if it is necessary for survival. Otherwise, channelize all for the long term. Okay, and then we'll go to output results. Intense focus, deliberate action. Okay, completing shipping things. Okay, make progress, get results. This is the output. Okay, then we'll go to the business part. So customers, prospects, products, marketing, sales, and operations. You need to channelize your focus where to focus right now. What is the priority? Whether right now you have a problem with the customers or prospects, products, marketing. You need to shift your focus accordingly, and sales team, operations. So you need to keep focusing on these aspects where you need to spend your time. Okay? Feedback. Adjust, increase, decrease energy and or focus. Measure results against baseline goals. This variable combination does not work, then you need to keep adjusting focus where you need to put your focus on product, business, marketing, wherever. So you need to just keep that focus in mind so that you will achieve results. And let's go to focus. To concentrate all available energy into a sharp central point. Equation is energy into focus is equal to result. Energy and focus is equal to results. Leverage focus is a multiplier of energy and your major leveraging point. You can't leverage much with energy. Okay, focus is very important. Energy plus focus. You need to have energy, you need to have focus. Then results will come. Energy input, focus, process, result, output. Okay, then we'll go to grid. Imagine your business as an electric grid. Okay, and the grid, the network of interconnected power provides consumers that connected to the transmission distribution lines operated by control system. Then entrepreneur's job is to oversee, balance, and manage the health of the entire system. You need to manage all the things: business, all the systems, products, teams, processes, customers, and then prioritize and focus. Masterful entrepreneurs learn how to rapidly scan the entire end-to-end design of their business and project. Check its health. They check the health, the allocate energy, time, money where most useful to the overall system. Wherever it is most useful. This requires prioritization, focus that serves survival. Number one is survival. You need to focus on achieving the vision and mission. Next, first you need to take care of your survival, daily needs, and other things, and then you need to work only for long-term vision and mission. Then business focus. Business focus is all about customers, one person. For it, 10x, give 10x prospects, 10x, give products, focus on product more, one person. You need to have a one person dedicated for it. 10x marketing, have one person who will be dedicated for it so that it adds 10x. Sales team, you need to have one person who is operations you need to have 1%. It will be 60x output when you align 1% customers, prospects, products, marketing, and then what will happen? You will be focusing on entire vision. Whether everything is going right, then you have a team of 6 people who will help you. Channelizing energy on right things at time. Okay? This is the great channeling energy. Customers, prospect, product, and so on. You have one person and you have a GM and you look end to end, and then you will be working. Optimize for goals. One, ensure survival. Number one, achieve vision and mission. Always look for which are you going for this mission and vision. You need to look for that. Okay, so this is how you focus on your projects. So we'll go into next video in consistency. We'll learn consistency, and kindly write in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to implement that knowledge, and kindly rate us on Trustpilot and give a 5-star rating. Thank you so much.